Hey guys, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Lori and we are so excited here. We have found some EBT eligible gift ideas for Christmas. What you want to do is when you go on the app to check these items, you want to make sure they say EBT eligible. We have found a few for you, like this 4-pack of hot cocoa bombs with marshmallows for just $4.96. Pick up the perfect man at Walmart with this hot cocoa bomb and mug set for under $10. Also under $10, this movie night popcorn and salts gift set. This is a very cute black and white plaid tote. This is also EBT eligible, under $15. Also coming in under $15 is this Dove chocolate s'mores set. This comes with 2 mugs. For just $19.54, pick up this football shaped cutting board and all of the goodies that you see there surrounding it. $9.97 will get you this pretty cut glass decanter. This Nescafe holiday mug with dark roast coffee is under $5. We found this Hershey's jumbo mug with a plush for under $10. Also under $10 is this 4-pack of Kinder Joy eggs with treats. Coming in under $10 as well is this meat and cheese gift set from Hickory Farms. Under $5 for 4 different coffee syrups. We found this Hillshire Farm Deluxe meat and cheese assortment for under $20. These are all EBT eligible, guys. Just over $20 for this 4-pack of different snacks in these gift boxes. $6 will buy you this Sock Monkey 2-handled coffee mug. And under $5 will get you this SpongeBob movie night gift set. Remember, when you're looking for these items on your app, make sure they are EBT eligible. We want to thank you guys so much for joining us here at Rollout Savings. Remember, a free and easy way to help support our channel. After you watch the video, be sure and leave us a comment. Tell us which one of these you're looking for and for who. We can be found across social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram, so look for us out there while you're scrolling. Again, thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.